this is my family. I just got off the motorcycle, hence the do-rag. I know it's sexy. This is Doji, big-headed dog. Big-headed dog. Look, he's got a big old head. And he's trying to get Puppy's head in his mouth. Yes, Puppy's name is Puppy, and Doji's name is D-O-G. We don't have one. Doji likes to play a game called Pusher Dog, where he pushes up against you. And he just lays his face on yours. Well, and then we got Puppy in the middle trying to bite both of us. Get him. Get him, Puppy. Arr, arr. Get him, Puppy. Puppy, don't put up with that. Get him, Puppy. Get him, Puppy. Don't bite his face. Get him, Puppy. Oh, Doge says, I'm gonna love on the baby. You're nipping Mama's hand. That's Mama's hand. Get him, Puppy, get him. Get him, Puppy. Get him, Puppy. Ow, ow. Get him, Puppy. Oh. You need to let Puppy try to get you from me. Hey, that's enough. Xena. I have a mama dog who thinks she needs to stick up for the baby dog, although Xena's not doing anything. Doji is. Look. A little bit. I'd stop if I was you. You already have one messed up eye. Look. Somebody's going to get their butt kicked. See what I got to put up with? I'm back here somewhere. With the big dog. Little bit. Puppy, come here. Whoa. Ow. Bitch. You sound like Chewbacca. Puppy's like, I'm a badass. Yo. So there's my family. There's Puppy. Doji, big-headed dog. There's Xena. Xena! Xena, come to Mama. There's Xena. Right there. There's Xena. And she will push anything out of her way to get to you to get a pet on the butt and a kiss. And then Puppy, who's crazy. Ow! Stop. Quit biting me. Xena. Xena. And then there's Bitty Bitty Dog. Bitty Bitty Dog. Come here, Bitty Bitty Dog. Puppy. Watch Puppy. Ah! Stop. And there's her mama. Come here, Bitty Bitty Dog. Come take care of your baby. Come take care of your baby. See what your baby's doing? I don't want no kisses. I don't want no kisses. But you see your baby trying to attack me? Uh-oh. She's going after Mom.